prepare for work. I see some birds here. Long distance through this crate here is blurry. In this my fruits collection of to eat them. Here is some candies from TJ Maxx, but I don't like them. I have to eat them. Okay, that's small test of camera. We will see how it looks.
Plush, make sure I don't eat chips today.
Okay.
Don't even take them out around me. You know what I saw yesterday?
What?
At New York Court? Rossies came home, got out of one car, got in the other car, went out again.
Wow.
They're fucking weird. Probably most of him.
Yeah. Paranoid, right?
What?
They little paranoid.
Well, just weird.
Yeah. I'm going to sleep. Super cold outside. Like 30s or even 20s. And I get runny nose from it. And tomorrow I have to go to work. This is film, and then Sony camera goes how it's in very low light. If it's still in focus, and if it's good quality. My penny acting out. It's 1/3. Glad I got it on Black Friday. Glad I got it on Black Friday deal for $400. This is good camera for vlogging. Yay. So if you're into cameras and want to get some vlogging camera, I recommend this EV something. Not bad camera. But saying it's so bad, but I think it's not too bad. Okay, time to go to sleep. Bye. God. Came back from work. Ate. And I'm cold. Because in the warehouse in Amazon it was so freaking cold. Because they opening the doors were the big ones and then cold air coming through, and outside was below 30s or 32, I think, something like that. So tomorrow I will bring with me coat, not only to wear it outside, but I will wear inside my North Face Parka. I mean North Face Hydrenalite, something like this, but the darker color because this one is lighter. So what? At Amazon I will wear some of that hoodie, maybe this one. When I plan to wear this, but in darker color. And I will wear leggings on the sweatpants. You see, now at home I'm wearing these sweatpants from Victoria's Secret. These ones, but these ones are in size large, and they are comfortable because they are loose. But at the warehouse I'm wearing the same one, but size smaller, medium. And under I will wear leggings. These ones are from Walmart. Leggings. When it comes to socks, I will wear these ones from Hannes. They are warmer a little bit. Orange Hannes and the ends. They are gray. And I will wear hat too. And maybe I will wear a scarf. This one from Dollar Store because it's small and cute. Don't take much space. Hope I not freeze tomorrow. Cause I was getting runny nose today. Cause outside is 32. And we keep the warehouse not that warm. So yeah. And outside I will wear Ugg boots. Here are my Ugg boots. It looks like this. One of them. So I will wear them because in car it's cold too, especially in John car, because I have heated seats and heated steering wheel makes me warmer, but his Toyota Camry it's cold. So yeah, I have boots, but then I will change in warehouse to sneakers. Cause sneakers they not allow wearing Ugg boots, so work shoes have to wear. Yeah. Hope I not get sick and drink some syrup. This one. What do I do? Yeah, I think this will be good. Who need it? This from Victoria's Secret. Very stupid. Let's see. Wow. Yeah, see they make these things loose and big. Too big. Okay, see you later, bye.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.